Welcome to the Bitcoin update. With a massive bump today, we went 4.2% from this 4 hour untested candle. It was a really good support. It was an untested candle, and we probably create a range uptrend here. It's not really important right now, but in the future it might be. So it did deep dive. It went to a 15-minute untested body. I'm going there just to show you guys. I wasn't expecting that to bounce. The 4 hour could, but the 15 here, I wasn't even expecting this one to bounce because we tested the week already. We haven't tested the body, so we bounced on the body, but no problem. It was a really good bounce of a lot of volume. Oh, come on, TradingView. Really? So, we are now testing 4 hour untested candle, 4 hour, 1 hour above that, um, inside that, sorry. So after breaking this 1 hour range downtrend and breaking this point of polarity, as you can see, breaks the trend, uh, rejects a little bit of polarity that we had on this range, right? Before we test that untested candle. It comes down a little bit and bounce on the polarity level here. So it is resistance turning into support, right? And after that, we have another big move up, okay? 2.3%. So we are really bullish right now, guys. We are really bullish on the higher time frames. I have this 4 hour downtrend here, and also the daily can be created here. Okay, we have the creation on the daily, continuation, and now we can have the confirmation of the trend. Okay, we might just go up because well, we have a daily body here that was not tested, but I don't like this one, guys. I don't like that. I rather wait for the polarity levels get tested than or even a little bit higher, because I have marked here a 1 hour and I'm not really sure. It was probably a 1 hour untested candle, right? Okay, yeah, we have a 1 hour untested candle, just a little above that polarity. So what can happen here is really simple. It goes to the polarity. Let me show you guys on the 4. It goes to polarity, right? It has a, a really fast move, goes to the 1 hour and can easily reject the 1 hour, stays below polarity. It doesn't open and close, probably a 1 hour polarity. So 1 hour polarity, it cannot open and close white candle above the polarity levels here. I actually have 3 levels here. uh Okay, so this is support from the past that can turn into resistance. I don't believe this is going. Actually, it might hold because it held it a lot of times and created some polarity with that previous polarity, right? So I can leave this tree, and the spread here is really low, so 0.15, not really important. I really want to get a rejection on this 1 hour, otherwise we are going to a new all-time high easily, guys. If we break that, we can still reject the polarity and not break to the all-time high, but yeah, we are probably going at least to the top of the range. If we don't, keep rejecting this previous top, okay? Because if we go there, we are probably going to a new all-time high. If we don't go there, we can easily see a massive dump, guys, okay? If we, well, it doesn't have to be really polarized, because it was already a lot of polarity happen here, so it is a big level of polarity. But yeah, we can easily go and maybe go below 100k. If we reject the polarity again, we are probably going down, okay? But honestly, this is really bullish, of course. This is really bullish. There is no 4 hour candle here that is not tested. Okay, this 4 hour is not tested. Oh, it was tested here. So the body might still hold, okay? The body of this candle might still hold. Let me mark that. Okay, 4 hour. That can also hold, okay? But the spread between the 1 hour, yeah, 0.30. That's more than this 1 year. So yeah, I believe I said everything, guys. On lower time frames, it is kind of having the second rejection here on the 1 hour, so we can actually hold it down. I wasn't. Yeah, I don't even know if we are. We probably need to go to polarity. It's just having a normal rejection because the 4 hour was not tested. Okay, we did not see any of rejection on this 4 hour untested candle. I believe not even on the lower time frames, not on the 1 hour, and well, a little bit here, a little bit here. It was the 15 year inside that 4, but it wasn't holding the 4 body, so it just went to the 15 and it breaks up. So we can delete that. Oh, sorry. So yeah, we talked about everything here, guys. If we reject that level, we might not hold anything here inside this range. Maybe the 4 hour here, because we created a new range, right? We might be creating a new range from the bottom here to the top here, or to the top over there in the future. I don't want to predict that, but you guys know my levels, and I do believe that we are going to have at least a little a rejection here. If we don't have a little rejection here on this polarity or on this 1 hour, guys, we are probably going to a new all-time high really easy. Okay, so see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much.